Do you want to know how you can change the market view on 1xBet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the market view on your 1xBet account. So let's go ahead and start with the video. The first step is to open any browser on your PC. The second step is to go to 1xbet.com. And the third step is to either log into your account, and if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and register to your account. And the fourth step is to click on settings, which is right beside my account. After you click on the setting option, the final step is to locate market view, which is over here. So you can choose between full and short, and according to that it will show full markets and it will show shortened markets. So right now it is selected to full market view. To enable short market view, just go ahead and click on this button, and in a while your 1xBet will reload itself and the market will be shortened up. So in order for you to enable the full version again, go ahead and go to settings and click on full, which is under market view. This way you will get full market view. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.